So hey guys, this is part 2, but yeah, we're gonna try not to make the ASMR not the one, because these videos. So I wish I had like one of those vlogging cameras like these, but nope, I have one. Okay. So the next slime slash buddy I have is this green shark tail crystal animal slime. So I like this, but the last slime that wasn't video 1, I would rate that a 7 out of 10. And the smell is also very good, so I'm gonna give that a 2.9 out of 10. This one, I don't really like the smell of it. It smells like something burnt. I really feel like the other slime was just a little bit better than this one, because this one, like, the other one actually stretched more than this one. So, yeah. So, I would rate this a 6 out of 10. Oh. Okay. So, my next one is actually slime. Like I said, some of them actually putties, some of them actually slime. But the next slime is a fluffy slime. And I love this slime. I just want to poke them because I think I added too much shaving cream. Well, no. I made this slime and then I kept on putting water, then adding shaving cream, then activating it. So I guess like this how it turned out. But yeah. Comment down your rates for every one of these slimes. But you have to see part 1 and part 2. And maybe part 3 because this video. Like if I was making an actual video, like a vlogging cam, like Perfect Glass does, or just everything, it would probably work. Or if I have more storage on my phone. But yes, so I would rate this one probably 8 out of 10. It's not that bad. No, a 9.5 out of 10. So let's move on to the next one. I'm sorry these ASMR are so short, but it's like these times. So the next one is this brown, like, I don't know how to explain it, but like this grayish color. So I got this from Yogi Bear, if you don't know what that is. They say it's a type of slime, but you really can't expect them to give you good slime. So instead I'm doing a small finger, like small slime I'm used to do with a long finger. It's not that stretchy. But it is very pokey. I'm gonna try and crunch it. And it has a lot of hair in it. And you can't really do that with a swirl. But you really can't do a swirl with it. So I would rate it a 7.